Well, this is the Colclough 8182 pattern, square eared cake plate. Date range 1946 through to mid 1950s on Colclough Ridgway China marks. The unusual details on this are the turquoisey bluey ground. I mean, it's difficult to appreciate this on what we've got in front of you. Maybe if I bring one of the teacups in, I don't know whether the contrast even with the lighting box and the red background is going to be the same, but that's pure bone white, which you'd normally expect. The outer walls of this tea set and the surface of this cake plate are this turquoisey blue ground. Very subtle, very nice. It looks much better in real life than it does in a lit video box like this. Nice detailing around the handles with the moulding details on this there, as you can see. Nice square cake plate with good gilt retention all the way around the outer walls in very fine condition. And there's the Colclough Ridgway period China marks, product of the Ridgway potteries. Doesn't have the pattern reference on here, but we get that from occasional pieces, and it's worthwhile pointing out with this, it's worthwhile going through all your pieces and looking. Sometimes they'll put a pattern number on here detailing this one, but you can usually ID this using Google image searches, which will identify this. Very similar to Colclough linden, which is a common mistake for this one, where we come across it unlabeled as linden blue background. It's not, it's a completely different pattern version, but from about the same period. So we've got one cake plate, sugar basin and milk jug, and 6 trios in this beautiful design available from the Vintage and Antiques or Vintage Farmhouse website. We'll pop a link below which will take you through to one of those where this listing is going live this morning. Thanks for watching.